Tired of your hosting or site looking generic with default colors that just don't feel like you? I get it. You've spent time building your site, but the colors are all wrong, and it can feel impossible to find where you actually change them. Well, the good news is it's actually really simple. In under 2 minutes, you'll know exactly how to customize every color on your hosting or website. So here's the plan. We're going to open up the Styles panel, walk through picking your custom colors, and then save everything so it stays. Let's jump in. First, open up your hosting or website builder to a new blank page. This is just a clean starting point so we can focus on the colors without any distractions. You'll want to make sure you're on that editing screen where you can see your site layout. Now, look over on the left-hand side of your screen for the menu. You're going to scroll down and locate an option that says Styles. Go ahead and click on that. This is basically the control center for your website's overall look and feel. Text, fonts, spacing, and of course colors all live in here. Inside the Styles panel, you need to find the section labeled Colors. Click on that. And here's the thing, this is where most people get stuck. You'll see a list of color slots, but there's a specific one you want to target first. You should see something that says used 59 times or a similar number. That number tells you exactly how many elements on your site are using that particular color. Click on that number to expand the details. This is the key step. You're now looking at a little color card with a button that says Select. Click that Select button. Now you're in the color picker, which gives you full control. You can type in a hex code if you have your brand colors saved, or you can just use the eyedropper tool to grab a color from anywhere on your screen. I've tested this exact process myself, and it's super reliable. Now you'll see a few different highlight areas appear. The first one is usually for things like links or buttons. Click on that first highlight area to assign your chosen color to it. Once you're happy, do the same for the second highlight area. This often controls hover effects or secondary accents. Then go ahead and click on the third highlight area. This might handle backgrounds or border colors depending on your theme. Once you've set all three, click the Accept button. This locks in your color choices for those highlight areas. And now for the most important part, click Save. Always save your changes. I cannot tell you how many times people skip this step and lose all their work, and that's it, seriously. From frustration with mismatched colors to full control over your site's look in just a couple of minutes, now you can go back through and tweak any other color slots the same way. Your hosting or site is finally going to look like it belongs to you.